Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Navroop and I am a pediatric dentist by profession. The reason I undertook the computer-based IELTS at IDP was for the purpose of immigration to Canada. I had heard about IDP as one of the partners for conducting IELTS worldwide, and when I booked my computer-delivered IELTS on the IDP website, it was completely smooth. I was given my date for the LRW as well as the speaking within a good span of 1 week before the test. As I entered the IDP test center on the day of my listening, reading and writing test, the staff couldn't be more friendly. All the hygiene checks were in place and I was completely at peace before the exam was started. During the exam as well, whenever I felt there was some help I needed, the staff was very attentive and was right there to help me with everything. The facility has been maintained in an excellent manner. There have been checks and protocol and prevention measures in place everywhere you go. So I believe there's nothing to fear or worry about, and especially I believe the highlight of taking your IELTS with IDP would be the speaking test, which is not conducted with an examiner face-to-face in a closed room, but is especially being done on high-quality video conferencing. Overall, I would say the long and short of it is that I had a great experience having my IELTS at the IDP Center, be it the listening, reading, writing or the speaking test as well. I would definitely recommend IDP to all my friends and family because I believe they have maintained a very professional and a very confident staff. So thank you to everybody. Now fingers crossed for my results.